Hey, Dr. Lisa Thompson here, and I have a question for you. Do you have your Facebook follow button enabled? Well, if you don't, pay close attention because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Facebook follow button from either your desktop or laptop or your mobile device. So stay tuned. To set up your Facebook follow button, it's very easy to do. So first I'm going to show you how to do this from your desktop or laptop. Then I will show you how to do it from your mobile device. So from your desktop or laptop, make sure you open up Facebook and go to your personal profile page. Then what you want to do is come over to the far right hand corner, on the upper far right hand corner of your screen, and you'll see the menu account. And it's going to be this little triangle here. You click down and you click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Then you're going to come to Public Posts. And on Public Posts, this very first section, Who Can Follow Me? This is where you're going to activate your Facebook follow button. To activate it, make sure it's set to public. Now, let's do this from your mobile device. So I'm going to bring up the mobile device here. And then what you're going to do is you want to look down where you see this little hamburger screen to the lower right-hand corner of your screen. You want to tap on that. And then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see Settings and Privacy. You're going to click on Settings. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find Public Posts. Tap on Public Posts, and then you will see Who Can Follow Me, and you have your choice between public or friends. Make sure that that is set to public. And there you have it, real simple to set up your Facebook follow button. Was that helpful? If so, let me know in the comments section, and make sure you click the subscribe button and notifications to let you know when I'm putting out new videos that will help you build your online business. Thanks for watching.